Hello friends, the topic for today is Python strings and basic operators. Text is represented in programs by string data type. You can think of string as a sequence of characters. In this video, we'll discuss basic operations on string such as concatenation, repetition, appending, indexing, slicing, and iteration. Let us start. Welcome to our channel Engineering and Technology for You. If you are not subscribed to our channel, kindly subscribe and press the bell icon. The topic for today is Python strings and basic operations. Let us start with introduction. The strings are used to record textual information as well as arbitrary collection of bytes. So here you can put any characters in the form of string. So it is a arbitrary collection of bytes, or you can put textual information including the numerals. So we call it a sequence in Python. So it is positionally ordered collection of objects. So the sequence maintains a left to right order, and they contains atoms are stored and fetched by their relative position. So when we actually see the indexing, at that time it will be more clear to you how the string is stored. Then strings are sequence of one character strings. So whereas there are other types of sequence in Python, that is the lists and tuples. You might have studied those. So today we are going to discuss only the strings and the operations on string. First, string literal. Let us understand how we represent the string in the form of literal. Say here, either we can use single quotes or double quotes. A single quote, when we are using, at that time the start will be the single quote and end will be the single quote, and in the middle, if you need, you can use the double quote. If you want some, say, apostrophe, at that time you can use this. Then when you are using double quotes, then the start will be the double quote and end will be the double quote, and in the middle, if you want to use quote, single quote can be. Similarly, triple quotes can represent a string. So we put here triple quote and then the string. Similarly, here we are having the triple quotes which are in the form of double quotes. Then even the escape sequence can represent the string with the escape. So escape sequence will have this character, but whatever we put here, that will have effect if you take the escape sequence. Slash n will have a new line and slash t will have the tab, like that. Then the next is raw strings. So when you are representing raw strings, we start with r, and then in the double quotes, whatever we put, so that will be considered as raw string. So this escape sequence characters will not have any effect. It will consider as a character only. So in this way, when you want to put the slash in the string, then you can use the raw string. Then byte string. So byte string will start with b, and then whatever you put in the quotes, that will be in the form of a byte. Then Unicode string. So this is used only in the 2.6 version of Python. So it will start with U and then in the single quote you are putting whatever that will become a string. So these are the ways in which we can use strings in Python representation. Then the next is basic string operations. So here we have the table for the basic string operations, operator and the operation. So when we are using the plus operator, it means we are doing the concatenation of strings. That means two strings, they are concatenated with each other, so they are combined. Then the star operator is used for string repetition or string multiplication. Then plus equal to operator is used for string appending. So if you have already one string, you can append another string to that with the help of this plus equal to operator. Then the next operator is this operator, which we call it as the indexing, for use for indexing. And whatever number we are putting inside this bracket, that will become the particular character in the string. Then we have the next is the slicing operation, and the operator is bracket with colon. So here we are going to give the start and end. On this side we put the start, on this side we put the end. So that is used for slicing. That means we are making the slices of the string. We are actually taking the substrings from the string. We can represent slicing. Then len, this will give us the length of the string. Then the last operation is iteration. So for that we use the for loop. So for whatever variable we are putting here, and in string will iterate through the characters in the string. So let us go into the details of this. Let us try to see some of the basic string operations with the help of interpreter. So first operation is length. So with the help of len, we can find the length of the string. So I will just put here any string a, b, c, and when we press the enter, we'll get length as 3. Then similarly, you can make use of the plus operator for concatenation of the strings. Let us take here a, b, c plus another string d, e, f. So the strings, adding two strings objects creates a new object with contents of operand joint. So that is the concatenation operation. So here we can take another example so that it will be clear to you well. So welcome. So that is what we're going to get. Then the next operation is the repetition. So here when you want to repeat any string, we are taking the string happy, and then with the help of this operator, star operator, we'll repeat it 3 times. So this is what. In this way you can use the different operators for the basic operation. Here the appending string, this operation we are taking with the help of example. we will be using the plus equal to operator. So uh, here first we define the string str, string is hello, and then we take another variable name, that is for inputting the name from the keyboard. So we give the enter your name, and then str plus equal to name. So we are appending name with the string with the help of this plus equal to operator. Then again we append another string with the plus equal to operator. This time we take happy new year 2020. This is the string. So when we print the string, it will give us the hello, then whatever name we enter, and then happy new year. Let us see how we can execute this program. So here we have program for append operation. So we have taken the string hello, and then we have entered another string from the keyboard, that is the name, and then we append it with hello, and again we append another string happy new year 2020 with that. Let us see how program is executed. Let us run the program. So you can enter your name. I will just enter my name. So when you press enter, after that you will get hello Ulhaskumar, happy new year 2020. So in this way we can do the append operation with the help of plus equal to operator. Then coming to the indexing of string. The individual characters in the string are accessed using the subscript or this bracket operator. So this, the expression in bracket is called an index, and the index specifies a member of an order set. So in this case it is a character. So we want to access from the given set of characters in the string. So that will be done with the help of the particular number here. So the index of first character is 0, and the last character it will be n minus 1, where n is the number of characters in the string. So if we are having 6 characters, then the last number will be 5. So Python allows indexing from right end using negative index. So positive index will be from the left and the negative index will be from the right. It will be minus 1, starting will be minus 1. Then indexing is used in a string expression to access a specific character position in the string. So here we have the string, and the bracket will have the expression, string expression, which will have an integer value, maybe positive or negative. Let us see how we can say index a characters in the say we take the example welcome. This is the string. So this is having 7 characters. So the index will start from 0 and go up to 6, and at the 7th position that will be the end of the string character. Then negative index will start here at e, that will be minus 1 and minus 2 and so on. At the first place it will be minus 7. So we can use positive index or the negative index for representing particular character. Then slicing of string. Say when we want to access a continuous sequence of characters from a string, or we call it as the substring from a string. Then Python will help us with the help of slice. So slicing operation, here we have the start, then colon and end. So string, and then we put this in the subscript bracket. So both start and end should be a integer valued expression, and it will produce a substring starting at position given by start and running up to, but not including position end. So this is very important. It will not include the end position. So if you are giving start as 1 and end as 5, 5 position will not be included in the slice. So when we take examples, it will be more clear. Then let us see the example here, program for slice operation. So again we take this string welcome. Now here first we print the slice 0 to 3. So naturally it will take only 0, 1, 2, only 3 characters. Well, so that will be printed. Then when we take the slice colon 8, so here there is, we are not given any value on this. It will take the entire string welcome. It includes the 7 characters. So we will take this welcome complete string. Then when we make use of the 3 colon, and we are not giving the end, it will start at 3 and go up to the end. We'll get the print com. So let us see how we can execute this program. So here we have program for slicing. We have taken a string welcome, and then we have taken the first slice of it, so 0 to 3. So it will include WEL, and then when we take another slide, that is colon 8. So here we are not given anything at the start, so it will take the complete string welcome. And the last slice we are starting at 3 and colon, and we are not giving the end. It will go up to the end. So 3 colon will give us the output as COME. Let us see when we run the program what happens. You can see the first slice, we 0 to 3, we get only 3 characters from the string WEL. Then colon 8, so here we'll get the complete string because we are not given the start point. Then the last case, when we give 3 colon, we'll get COME. So from the fourth character with the index 3, we'll get COE program. Then the last operation is iterating string. So since strings are sequence of characters, you can iterate through the characters using a for loop. So here again we take the string Happy New Year 2020, and we use the loop for loop for I in str, that is string, print I comma end is equal to, and here where is single quote, there is a gap here. So all the characters in the string, so they will be printed with gap. So that is the how it will iterate to all the characters in the So here we have program for iteration. So again we take a string Happy New Year 2020. Then we take the for loop for I in str print I comma end is equal to, and here there is a blank space. So when we run the program, we'll get the program will iterate through all the characters and will get gap in the characters of the string. Let us see. Run. So here you can see each character is printed with a gap. That is how we can use the iteration. All the characters in the. So with this, we come to the end of this video. If you have any queries, you can contact me on Facebook, Twitter, Gmail or Instagram. Then if you like the video, press the like button, share with your friends with this icon, and subscribe to our channel Engineering and Technology for you. And don't forget to press the bell icon for getting notifications about our future videos on this subject. Then thanks for watching. Have a nice day.